Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Telegram privacy settings safely and avoid leaks. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Telegram app on your device. Log into your account if you have not already done so. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. For Android, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. For iOS, tap on the settings tab at the bottom right. In the settings menu, locate and select Privacy and Security. Here, you will find various options to adjust your privacy setting. Start with phone number. Select who can see your phone number. You can choose from everyone, contacts, or nobody. For enhanced privacy, select Nobody. Next, choose My Contacts or Nobody for better security. Now, look for Last Seen and Online. Select who can see your last seen status. It is advisable to select My Contacts or Nobody. Next, find the option Calls. Decide who can call you. Select My Contacts for privacy. Now, navigate to Groups and Channels. Here, set who can add you to groups. Choose the option that best fits your privacy preference. For additional security, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. In the settings, find Active Sessions. This shows all devices currently logged into your account. Log out from any sessions you do not recognize. Lastly, review your settings periodically. Keep your privacy settings updated to maintain safety. Always be cautious about sharing your personal information online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.